Hey there! Welcome back to Nothing to Laugh. Today we've brewed up a steaming hot pot of viral videos, moments that'll have you laughing until you cry. So grab a seat and get ready to embark on a laughter-filled journey with us.
What is that? What did you spell?
Love.
That was close enough.
What the hell?
So I'm just at like a thrift store looking around for like home decor, and I just found the perfect piece. It's just, yes.
Just when I had forgotten.
Oh, waiter!
If there's any spirits in there, please move the cup.
Everybody talks about Paris this, Paris that. Girl, look at these little crosswalks. My ass about to get hit.
Proof that breakfast can be too hot to handle.
Ready?
Hey, do you have any hand sanitizer here?
Oh, just up there.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh,
No, other one, sorry.
this one?
Yeah.
You got me. I almost had a heart attack.
That was your nap, psycho.
No. Holy shit.
Let's give it a try. Oh God! Oh!
Hi, Michael.
What's going on?
This is self-care.
Listen to how loud this hand paper towel dispenser is. Like, damn.
You're hurting her. That's one way to get a leg up on your drink.
Oh, someone's filming us.
Film it!
It's just me!
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
You look so handsome. You look really handsome, Benny. Can you look at your mama?
Benny is not accepting calls at this time. Are they fighting or dating?
Oh, get out! I told you!
Yeah, how old are you?
Can someone tell me where I can buy it?
Come on.
You want to hold it?
Bruh.
Come on, what you doing?
Gravity just gave her a reality check.
Oh, you okay? Oh my gosh.
One, two, three. Okay. There.
You're literally.
When the diving board says not today.
Oh, no!
Looks like their swing game just went from high flying to high failing.
Oh no. And there it went.
Woo! Jump, jump, jump! Oh, oh. Woo,
Woo! Looks like someone's about to make a big splash or face plant. Oh! Oh!
Ready, set, go.
Sometimes you get a taste of winter and a full face of it.
You broke it!
Three! So fast, I'm sorry.
Here comes a snowy surprise for our little adventurer.
Wow.
Good job.